Hello there, I hope you're doing great. Today in this video I'll teach you how you can record your PC using Bandicam for 24 hours and 365 days. So without any further delays, let's get into the video. Recording your PC for 24 hours and 365 days is known as Computer Blackbox. Now you must be thinking, what is a Computer Blackbox? Black boxes are usually used in airplanes and other vehicles to record activity before a crash. The purpose of the Computer Blackbox function of Bandicam is to record your PC, screen, and sound for 24 hours and 365 days. It can be good for PC monitoring and surveillance software. Some of the more used cases for Computer Blackboxes includes recording your full computer screen continuously from when Windows start, easily finding mistakes or defects of your products, or recording your trading system of stocks and etc. Now let's take a look at how you can use Bandicam as Computer Blackbox. Firstly, download and open Bandicam, and then go to the General tab. Inside it, click on Advanced. Then make sure Start Bandicam Minimized on Tray and Turn Off Tray Balloon Notification is turned on. Along with that, also enable Run Bandicam on Windows Startup and click on OK. After that, click on Settings of Auto-Complete Recording. Then select by recording time, and for me I'll go for 1 hour. This means that Bandicam will record the screen for 1 hour, and if you want to record for more or less duration of time, you can just do it from here as well. After that, after recording, select Start New Recording. This will start a new recording after completion of an hour of recording. And finally, click on OK. And lastly, make sure the recording region is selected according to your need. For me, I am selecting my full screen. Now, if you click on Start Recording, your screen will be recorded for 24 hours and 365 days. Basically, if you don't click on the Stop Recording button, your screen will be recorded forever. Alright, so there also might be a case when you would want to start recording when Windows starts. Now to do this, go to your Start button and search for Task Scheduler and open it. Once open, click on Create Task, and after that type in the name of the task. After typing in the name, make sure you enable Run with High Privileges feature. Next, go to Triggers tab and click on New. Then under Begin the task, select Add Log On and click on OK. Then go to the next tab, which is Actions. Click on New and then browse the location of Bandicam software. After that, add the following arguments. And lastly, click on OK, and you're done. Now, if you have done everything carefully, you can automatically record your computer screen without even opening Bandicam and clicking on the record button. Now, behind the back of your head, you must be thinking, is there a way to cut parts of a video quickly without compromising the quality of the original video? And the simple answer is yes, there is a way, and it's pretty easy to do. For this purpose, we'll be using Bandicut. Don't worry, the link for this tool will be there in the video description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Now, to cut a specific region of any video, follow these simple steps. Firstly, download and open Bandicut. Then click on Cut option. After that, select the video you want to cut and click on Open. After this step, select the region of the video you want to cut by adjusting the starting and the ending points. Once you're done with that, click on the Start button. Rename the file if you're interested and click on Start. Now, as you can see, the video is cut in such a short interval of time, and also the quality of the video is still intact. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, then please do consider subscribing to our channel for more useful videos like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and cheers!